Hold on 1 second. You're live, Praveen. Take it away.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Hope you and your family and your loved ones are doing well. My name is Praveen. I'm from Team G Express. So today we are going to discuss a solution, a problem which is specifically related to all the e-commerce sellers who are facing just because of this COVID-19 pandemic. So the topic which we are going to discuss is a smart fulfillment and warehousing solution for your e-commerce, for all e-commerce sellers. So these are the challenges and problems which all the sellers are facing these days, okay, which is related to the long storage fees, your seasonal factors, because in the season time all your storage fees it's going up. So you all know that there is a basically 9+3 formula which works for your storage. 9 months you have a different storage fees, 3 months you have a storage fee, a different storage fees, which is higher as compared to the first 9 months. So the another which is a very important is your IPI score, because this is the main what exactly is becoming a problem for all the sellers, all the big sellers, all the small sellers who are selling their products on the Amazon FBA. So because what is IPI? Because IPI is something, it is in a kind of a score which is depends on a different factors. Okay, that's on your inventory, that how you manage your inventory, how will you manage your sales and everything. So this IPI score depend on that. So you all knows before a few days Amazon increased the IPI score. So just because of this reason, the effect on your inventory. So the people who are enjoying the feature of the unlimited inventory, they can keep the unlimited inventory in the Amazon FBA. Now that has been stopped. So it's on a limit on your products. Okay. So, and the third one is your cost management, because there are lots of things, because people are using both the channels like air and ocean, but the ocean is something which is like the more cost effective solution for all the sellers. So we always advise sellers that they should use, or they should plan their inventory and their shipments accordingly, that they should have a proper balance between ocean and air. So this is the problem, what exactly we found that these days that the sellers are facing. So what is the solution for that? So we have designed a solution which is alternative warehousing. Okay, so what is the alternative warehousing? So we are offering a warehousing solution to all our sellers, that we are going to give you a warehousing solution in USA and UK. Okay, in that case, what we are doing, we are picking up the shipments, okay, in the volume, like whatever you have in a convenient 5 CBM, 10 CBM, 15 CBM shipments. Instead of delivering it to direct Amazon FC, what we are doing, we are delivering it to our warehouse. So whenever you have any orders as per your limit, so you can just place an order with our warehouse team, and they will paste your label. Okay, they will pack your box again. They will paste the new labels, Amazon labels on that, and we can send this for the final Amazon FC delivery. So by this way, you can avoid that limit restrictions on your shipments. Okay, so still you can send shipments in bulk. Let's say if you are sending 10 CBM, 15 CBM, or a full container load to Amazon FC earlier, and just because of this limit restrictions, you are not able to do that. So still now you can do that. Okay, so you have another option. So you can keep your products, your boxes in our warehouse, and whatever things like for the relabeling, for the reboxing, for the palletization, everything we are going to do on your behalf. So what is the benefit for this is like warehousing considered as an additional investment. So if you want to have a warehouse there in US, so that's going to have an additional cost for you. So we have multiple customized solution for you guys. So as per your convenience, you can choose any option for the warehousing. So that would be going to be suitable for you, and this is going to match your requirement for the season time, because the season is already on. So this is the time when you can plan your shipment, because you are going to have soon a Prime Day, and you will have a season and the festival season also. So what we will advise you can plan your shipments now, okay, and you can use this smart fulfillment and warehousing facility. So one restriction, I've already told you that that's an additional investment for your warehousing. Second is your limited storage capacity at Amazon warehouse due to low IPI score. And honestly, this is not the time that you can maintain your IPI score. So because that thing already done. So now you can do that. You can improve your IPI after the season only. So now you have to plan your shipment accordingly. The third one is higher logistic prices for a small seller with small shipments present on Etsy, Shopify, and other marketplaces. So it's not that the only FBA sellers can use our warehousing. It's something the people who are sending Amazon FBA, MFN, people who are selling on eBay, Etsy, and Shopify, they can also use our fulfillment facility there. So they can keep their products in our USA and UK warehouse. Okay, from there, whenever they are going to have any order, they can place that order through our WMS, and we will ship it to the final consignee, the final customer. So it's a very effective solution for all the sellers who are selling on eBay, Etsy, and MFN, and they do not have the FBA facility, so they can use our FBA for this, our warehouse for this. So this is basically I'm going to go through, take you with the a flow chart, which is like for how you can sell your products globally. Okay, so you just need to first register as in a marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. So then what we guys are going to be in a role, that's the first mile pickup, your custom clearance, your mode, whatever you want to choose it, an air or ocean. Then you again have a choice that you want to keep it in our warehouse or you want us to deliver in Amazon warehouse. So all this process you can control by our technology. Okay, so we have a technology which is our own WMS and a proper system by which you can create your shipment by on a single click. So you can control your whole inventory which is placed in US and UK by your laptop itself. So you can see your live inventory anytime. This is our another solution, okay, which is an air and ocean consolidation, which we are already doing from last 4 or 5 years. Okay, so in that case, what we do, we pick up shipments from the different sellers across the country. We make them on a single consolidation through air and ocean. So whatever is like your convenience and your cost. If you are okay with the air thing, so we are moving shipments through air consolidation. If you are looking for more cost effective solutions, so we will advise you to ship your shipment through ocean. So for the ocean consolidations, we are offering a service which is start from 500 kg itself. So it's not that you think that only bigger seller can use the ocean facility. You can also send your shipments within a 500 kg minimum load itself. This is what is our technology platform, which I was talking. So this is the entire process is a technology driven. So all your pickup, delivery, your warehousing, your inventory management, your order placement, your return management, everything is going to be maintained by a technology platform, okay, which you just need to go log in and you can check and you can control all your activities by this platform itself. So this is again a time definite service. It's a very user friendly. Okay, so you can work on this platform as per your own convenience time. So what is the because as I mentioned that we are expert for this domain, we specifically work, we have a forte for the e-commerce sellers only. So we understand all the problems. Okay, so what a problem basically a seller face, because it's very important whenever you have sell. So return management is something which is a big problem for all the seller. Okay, so we have designed in a kind of solution so you can manage your returns. Okay, so you can book your returns. That returns can come back to our warehouse and we can relabel it and we can send it to your Amazon customer or your direct customer back. A part of this, how we are also offering in a liquidation service also. So if you have any unsold inventory which is available in UK and US, so you can use our service. Okay, so we have a set of people so whom we can introduce you, and we can help you to liquidate your inventory also, unsold inventory. This is in a bit about our achievements, what we are doing currently. Okay, so we are working with almost the maximum sellers in the country. So we have almost 800 sellers which we are currently working. We are almost picking up 150 tons air freight. Okay, and we are consolidating almost 3,000 CBM every month from India. Okay, approx this we have our small parcel solutions also. So which is specifically designed for the MFN, Etsy, and eBay customers. So if you have anything which is like called a small parcel, so we have a service which is going to start from the 50 grams itself. So you can send your small parcels, your small jewelry, or whatever products you are selling on the eBay, Etsy, and the Amazon MFN. So we are managing almost 15,000 small parcels every month. Okay, we are managing almost 10,000 pieces returns, and almost doing 350 custom clearance on a monthly basis. So by help of GXpress, what you guys can do, you can send your shipments through air, ocean, and smart parcel services. Okay, you can maintain your sustainable inventory management, liquidate your unsold inventory in GXpress warehouse as and when required. You can manage your custom clearance also with in US without having a company in US. So we would be going to offer you an Iowa service. So we have a 24/7 customer support. So you can reach out to our toll-free number, and you can manage your returns also. These are our few testimonials from our customers. Okay, for our proven track record, that how we are strongly can handle this. So this is what we were offering for the majorly for this service. So if you guys have any questions, any queries, you can reach out to us on our booth, and you can drop your message also. So if you have any queries related to your logistics requirement, your warehousing, your fulfillment, your return management, your small parcel requirement, so you can reach out to us on our booth.
Thank you, Praveen, for sharing that. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session. And as Praveen mentioned, you can reach out to GXpress in their booth, and they will be on the platform throughout the day to engage with you and network with you. So please feel free to visit their booth. Thank you so much, Praveen. And
thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you
for joining this session. Thank you.
Thank you.